Was an idiot.
What's wrong with you? But y'all scared?
Why don't you just tell him the truth?
You don't know what's wrong with the car? Go fix it then.
Don't sell it.
What's going on with it? You can imagine them blowing all night at the apartment or wherever they live.
Oh, they're gonna go ham. Give them your card. Give them your
Oh,
card.
they're coming back tomorrow.
Huh? Do what? Because it's the truth. Just why you avoid telling people the truth?
Make it blow again. Make it blow again.
Wait, what is that?
All right, I'm gonna leave it alone.
That's the right thing to do. That's the right thing to do.
That's the right thing to do. That boy's a gullible, man.
Duh.
Gullible.
Larry, staring at it ain't gonna help.
You know how that looks. You like.
Hey, I know what that look mean. I wish I'd have never got involved in this.
What's up, Sugar?
What's up, boss man?
What's up, man?
Boy, y'all asleep.
Oh, open the trunk. Open the trunk. Open the trunk. Hey, don't say nothing.
You still doing this?
Oh, you did?
Why are you so sensitive? I'm locking in there. Oh. What the hell are you doing? You got it running? Hey, drool, bro. You got it. Drool? He could be drool, but you... Oh. I'm about to go give him the key. I'm about to give him the key. No, don't do it. No, wait. Not yet. He ain't sell me yet.
No, I'm going to put on Facebook. You never know.
I want to be out here, man. Hey. You like you up for something? What you doing?
You pop the trunk?
Now, if the hood pop up, something wrong.
Are you going to deliver this car? You let the customer leave with the horn blowing? You going to let them blow it? Leave with the horn blowing? You don't take care of your customers?
You hit the safety button?
You look nervous, bro.
Just kill it, Mike. Kill it.
Just kill it, bro.
You ain't never try to hit the safety button?
It might automatically. You didn't do anything.
Might then come back tomorrow.
What school you got your degree from?
You can tell him today.
I didn't do anything.
Either he could tell him today or tomorrow.
The safety button.
The one in the glove box.
No, that one's under the seat on the.
No, either you could tell him
What
now.
is that going away camera?
Oh,
Selling
the
something,
empty party.
knowing something wrong with it?
How you gonna sleep tonight, man? How you gonna sleep tonight?
He coming back tomorrow.
Car, just turn it off.
Hey, that thing nice, though.
Jermaine, he turned it off.
Your key, dog.
Y'all really gonna do this?
No, I'm like,
Y'all really gonna do
this, hey, bro, this is funny. You gonna tell the customers or not? Oh, stop pressing it. You doing it on purpose.
No,
Man,
this
that
is
thing-
what's wrong.
What's wrong with it?
Something wrong with the key. Because when it locks.
What school you went to? Tell everybody what school you went to. Tell everybody what school you went to.